The European Union and 13 EU member states, including Germany, have mobilized further emergency aid to help Tunisia cope with the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic and the worrying health situation in the country. The relief operation is coordinated through the EU Civil Protection Mechanism. Almost 1.3 million vaccine doses and 8 million face masks have been shipped along with antigen tests, ventilators, oxygen concentrators, nursing beds, and other vital medical equipment. In addition, a medical team from Romania arrived in Tunis on August 9th to provide additional support. More deliveries are likely to arrive during the month. Several countries had responded to Tunisia's request: Germany, Belgium, France, Croatia, Latvia, Luxembourg, Malta, Norway, Austria, Portugal, Romania, Spain, and the Czech Republic. Janez Lenarčič, the European Commissioner for Crisis Management, said, "I would like to thank all EU member states who responded immediately to Tunisia's request for help. The European Civil Protection Mechanism made this possible through rapid coordination. This is a real example of the spirit of solidarity that underlies EU action. Together with member states, the EU will continue to ensure international access to vaccines, medical equipment, and other support to end the pandemic." The EU has also made €700,000 available from its epidemics tool to fight epidemics in response to the current COVID-19 outbreak in Tunisia. The funds will help meet immediate and critical needs related to managing the COVID-19 cases. They will also be used to coordinate and support the vaccination campaign in Tunisia. The aim of the Union Civil Protection Mechanism, the EU CPM, is to improve the prevention, preparedness, and response to disasters through increased cooperation between the EU member states and 6 other participating states in the field of civil protection. If a country realizes that its coping capacities are no longer able to cope with an emergency, it can use the procedures to ask for help. As part of the process, the European Commission plays a key role in coordinating disaster response in Europe and beyond, and contributes at least 75% to the transport and/or operational costs of the mission. In response to a request for help as part of the procedure, the Emergency Response Coordination Center mobilizes support or specific expertise. It follows events around the world around the clock and, through a direct link with the national civil protection authorities, ensures that emergency aid can be provided quickly. In this way, specialized teams and equipment such as forest firefighting aircraft, search and rescue teams, and medical teams can be mobilized at short notice for operations within and outside Europe. Any country in the world, but also the United Nations and its institutions and other international organizations, can seek help through the EU Civil Protection Mechanism. In 2020, the procedure was used more than 100 times, including in connection with the COVID-19 pandemic, the explosion in Beirut in Lebanon, the floods in Ukraine and in Niger and Sudan, the earthquake in Croatia, and the tropical cyclones in Latin America and Asia. And I'll see you in my next video. Bis gleich.